Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely pumpkin and coconut rice Jamaican style. What I'm going to do here first, I'm going to take the skin off the pumpkin. So after that, you're going to cut them in the desired shape you want. I'm going to cut them kind of cubes or about medium size. But that's the size I want them. Some people cut them a bit smaller, but you don't have to. It's personal preference anyway. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a quarter of an onion, and I'm going to go ahead and dice the onion. So the next stage is I have my pan on, or pot, whatever you call it. I'm going to go in with some olive oil. So while the pot is hot, I'm going to put the onion in. And I'm going to season it with some coarse sea salt. And then I'm going to add my pumpkin. Make sure you get your seasoning. At this point, I'm going to put some thyme in it, some fresh thyme. I'll be adding some black pepper over this. So here I have some coconut. I'm going to use half of this. It's coconut solid or coconut cream. I'm going to use half of this. You can use the liquid if you want. It's coming to a tin, or you can get a fresh coconut, cut it, grate it yourself, but that takes more time. So now I'm going to add my coconut in, and then I'm going to go in with 2 cups of water. I'm going to add to this half spoon of vegeta. It's a form of all-purpose. And then I'm going to bring it to a boil. I'm going to go in with about a bit of garlic powder, maybe about small teaspoon. So as you can see now it's boiling. So as soon as the coconut milk dissolve, that's when I'm going to add my rice in. I have a cup of basmati rice which is washed, so I'm going to put it in now. So after you add the basmati rice, just give it a bit of stir, and that will stop it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. So now it's boiling. I'm going to pop a lid on and reduce the flame and let it steam. While the rice is steaming, I'm just going to cut some spring onion just for garnish. So as you can see, the water is evaporating out. So I'm just waiting a couple minutes and then we'll be good to go. Now as you can see, nice and fluffy. Look at that. Now I'm gonna get my plate. Rice is nice and hot. Look at that. If this video of any help to anyone watching it, I thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a bit of decoration to it. This is just some spring onion. Here I'm just gonna add some diced peppers. This is just diced peppers. And I'm gonna finish it off with spring onion. What you can do also, you can have whatever you want with this meal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice a piece of jerk chicken, boneless jerk chicken, just gonna put it on top of it. I'm just gonna slice this like so. You can have it with steak, chicken, fish. Just gonna put a drizzling of the juice over this.